My name is Randy Sprude. I'm an instructor here at Mech-Tech Institute. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the equipment that we use. The equipment we use here at Mech-Tech Institute gives our students a more competitive advantage in the workforce. What you see here is a pipe track torch. This is used to cut material for the students to weld. This machine here we have is an iron worker. Cuts steel, cuts square tubing, cuts flat bar, punches holes, whatever you need. So here students get to use an iron worker, which gets them ready for the real world and where they're going to be cutting material, prepping material, and the safety behind it when using a piece of equipment of this strength. This machine here will save them time so they can focus on their welding. Here we have a track torch for cutting flat bar for the students to practice their V-groove welds. At Mech-Tech we do weld tests, and when they get done with their coupons they have to bend them to test them to verify the welds are good. If it breaks, it's no good. Then they get heartbroken. If you would like to learn how to use this equipment and much more, come join us at Mech-Tech Institute.